Hello Internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the Paranormal Pantivity project pan. This project is a fantastic ladies collab that was created by Andrea. She will be listed down below as well as the master list for this project. So let's jump into it. I'm excited. The first item that was used up was for Gremlins. I finished the Essence setting spray. Since the last update, it only needed 5 uses, and I didn't have the exact date written down, but I'm guessing it was done around November 10th. That is my guesstimate estimate. But it could have been done sooner before that, but I'm very happy that this is done. And then another goal was hit a little later, but it was still hit. For Bloody Mary, I have the Fenty Hustler Baby highlighter. My goal in this project was to use it 12 times. Since the last update, it needed 8 uses, and I hit those uses on November 29th. The day I'm filming is the 30th, so the goal is complete. I had fun using this. I really enjoyed using this. So now on to everything that's remaining before I talk about the roll-ins. First up to bat for Poltergeist, I have the NYX Squad Goals, what are you called? Lippy. There you go. Since the last update, I only used it once. It has 10 uses left to go as a goal of 12, so it's vibing. It's here. I forgot about it. Next, for Doppelganger, I have the Pharmacy Zen Mascara. Once again, I do not support this brand because it is an MLM, but it is a product I have 2 of since the last update. I've used it 4 times. I haven't been wearing mascara. I am wearing it today. I am tempted to bin it next month because it won't be at the 3-month mark, but I also might keep it in a couple months longer because I'm not really opening it. We will have to see on how I'm feeling and how my eyes are feeling, really. Next, for White Lady, I have the Wet n Wild White Multi-Stick. Since the last update, I've used it 4 times. I'm so scared it's going to break on me one day. This is how much is left. I definitely can finish it in this project. But the cap, once again, is still broken. So, thriving. And then next, for Vanishing Hitchhiker, I have the Jordana Black Eyeliner. It's only been used once, and that one time is today. Yeah, I'm really trying to hit 2 other eyeliner goals before I have this be the main one, because I know I can finish this in a short amount of time. So I want to hit my other usage goals before this guy. So now the roll-ins. The first prompt I'm rolling in is Screaming Skulls. So I'm going with the side of the prompt that is the Halloween themed item. So I picked the Wet n Wild highlighter and not your basic witch. So it is a black with silver overspray highlighter pretty much. My goal is only going to be to use it 12 times. I probably will use it as eyeshadow. But yeah, I want to get some more use on this highlighter. It is a nice eyeshadow. It actually really is. And then, I'm kind of crazy for pulling this one in, but I kind of just wanted to. For Banshee, it's a product that you were close to finishing. So I picked this Becca highlighter in Opal. Yes, I know, 2 highlighters in at once. My goal will be to finish this, and I have till the end of the project to finish it. But I feel like this is the only item in my collection that's like semi-close to being done besides like a foundation. And I didn't want to pull in a foundation, so fun, a little scary. But yeah, this is my short and sweet update for the Paranormal Pantivity project pan. So don't forget to check out everyone else doing this project. Like I said before, they will be listed in the master list in the description box down below. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you are watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.